Hello everyone, this is Sogan. Welcome to Sogan's Crochet. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet this beautiful 3D flower. You can use this flower for your projects. I hope you like it. For crocheting this beautiful 3D flower, make a slip knot and chain 104. Skip 2 chains, insert your hook into the third chain and make a half double crochet. Make a half double crochet in each chain. I finish row 1, chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn your work. Skip 2 stitches, insert your hook into the third stitch and make a double crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Skip 2 stitches, 1, 2. Insert your hook into the third stitch and make a double crochet. Repeat that until the end of the row. I finish row 2. You must have 34 spaces. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn your work and make 4 double crochets into the same space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make 4 double crochets into the next space. 2, 3, 4. Repeat the sequence until you crochet 4 spaces. I crocheted 4 spaces, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make a slip stitch. Make a slip stitch into the next space. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make 3 double crochets into this space. 1, 2, 3. Make 2 double crochets into this stitch. 1 and 2. Make 3 double crochets into the next space. 1, 2, 3. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make a slip stitch. Repeat the sequence until you crochet 5 times and then meet me. I crocheted 5 spaces. Add your new color. Make a slip stitch into the next space. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over twice and make a triple crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, 4 times. Make 4 triple crochets into the same space. 1 2 3 4. Make 1 triple crochet into this stitch. Chain 2 and make a picket. Make a triple crochet into the same stitch. Make 4 triple crochets into the next space. 1 2 3 4. Chain 4. 1 2 3 4 and make a slip stitch. And cut the yarn off. Make a slip stitch into the next space and repeat. Repeat the sequence until you crochet 10 times. I crochet 10 times, chain 1, cut the yarn off. Hide your yarn. So I hope you have enjoyed this. If you have been sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, unboxing and product reviews, and make sure you beat that bell so you don't miss any of them. Take care.